Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 8 log on to logo. Question A, B, C was your prep. I have just put up as an answer key in this. Even I will put up in a PDF file in your ERP. So let us first do the solve this, right? The first filling the blank, page number 77, okay, page number 77, chapter 8, log on to logo, fill in the blanks. Number 1, logo is a computer language. As we have started, the commands will be understood only by the logo application, right? Second one, we can use logo to draw pictures and do calculations. Even you can print your text, your name, but calculations, how to do calculations and how to print, you will learn in form 4. But you can do calculations in logo. Fine. Third blank, the dash command will turn the turtle towards the left by 90 degree. Left. Okay, so LT 90. Fine. Fourth one, always specify the number of dash next to forward or BK command or back command. Whenever I write FD space and then write numbers, right? 100, 200, so that are called number of steps. So always specify a number of steps next to forward or back command. Only forward and BK command is there that will draw a line for you, right? Next one, a set of primitives written one after another is called program. Okay, during the interactive class we have seen how to draw small line, right, how to draw square. So step by step when you write some commands, okay, to draw a shape, it becomes one program. So set of primitives written one after another is called a program. Okay, it should be one after another is called a program. Next one, match the following. Okay, you can write a numbers on the left hand side boxes given 1 2 3 4 5, right, and on the right hand side just draw a line there. Under that line you will write the number. Logo was developed by Mr. Samuel Peppered. So that is the third row in the on the right hand side, right? Two parts of turtle, as we know, head and tail. Pointed part is called head and the base part is called tail. By command is used to exit logo. Forward command, its short form is FD, and left command LT. If you want to color, okay, the same like left it is a blue color, then you can color it blue, okay, but it should be readable for you. It should be, you can read it properly. It's better you write the numbers in match the following, it will be more clear. Okay, so number 1, logo was developed by Samuel Peppered. Two parts of turtle is head and tail. By exit, forward FD, left LT. Okay, now let us come to question C, application based questions. The teacher, it's on page number 78. The teacher has asked Priya to turn the turtle right by 90 degree, right side 90 degree for drawing a square. Which command she should use? She want to turn the turtle right side, right? So RIGHT space 90, or you can write the command. So Priya needs to type the command RT90. Okay, I speak RT90, but you have to give space. Okay, RT space 90. When we type in the logo application, after the number of after the primitive, if you have to write number of steps, give a space. If you have to write an angle, then you have to give a space. So RT space 90, right? So the correct answer, Priya needs to type the command RT90. Next one, number 2, Tushar has been asked to run a logo commands without using a keyboard. Okay, how can he complete the task? Okay, So I just would like to show you, this should not be there. Okay. Tushar needs to press execute button. Okay, so which command it will press? It will press execute button. Okay. Question D now. Let's do multiple choice questions. Okay, MCQ. Let us see the first one. Page number 78, right? Okay. Now you can write this. Of course, I am going to put up in the ERP the PDF file. MCQ. The logo commands are called dash, primitive, turtle or language. Logo commands are also called primitives. Number 2, the dash key executes the command, right? Which key is enter key? This is the correct answer. Enter key will execute the command. Which key will execute the command? Enter key will execute the command. Okay. So correct answer is enter key. Number 3, the shape of the turtle is dash. What is the shape of the turtle? Triangle. Right? The white bar where you type the commands is known as command input box. Okay, what it is known as? Command input box. Gray color box is called recall list box. Okay, and where these two windows are there? In commander window. Okay, so now let us go to question E. Answer in one word or sentence. The first one, what is the full form of logo? The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. Okay. Try to remember the spelling: logic oriented, graphic oriented. Right. Second one, what are the parts of logo screen? There are two parts of logo screen. That is, one is main screen and second is commander window. Again, in commander window there are two parts. Right, one is recall list box and one is command input box. The command input box is called white bar. Fine. So first one is logic oriented, second one main screen commander window. Question 3, which is the home position of the turtle? The turtle appears in the center of the screen, which is its home position. Whenever we see the turtle is in the center, the turtle is called, it is at home. It's at home position. Fourth one, which command is given to make the turtle to take a half turn? If you want to do half turn on the right side, then we do RT 180. Okay. If we do from the left side, if you want to do, then it will be LT 180. Okay. But if you do from right or left, the position of the turtle will remain same. Okay, it will come to the same position. Okay, अगर आप right side से भी 180 घुमाते हो या left side से भी घुमाते हो, तो position of the turtle will come to the half turn. ठीक है, तो आपको वैसे नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा ये right side से turn किया है कि left side से turn किया है. So that way it turns to half turn. Fine. What should be given between the primitives and the number of steps? Okay, I am writing RT. RT is a primitive. Okay, for it's a primitive. I want to write how much turn I want to do. So what I'll do? Space 180. 180 is degree. It's not a number of steps, but it's a degree. You are changing the angle of the turtle. RT or LT say we are changing the position of the turtle. Okay, so whenever you write a primitive and if it requires number of steps or an angle, you have to give a space, right? So space is given between the primitives and number of steps. Of course, number of steps you write with FD and BK. जब हम forward और BK के साथ लिखते हैं उनको number of steps बोलते हैं. Why? Because we are asking turtle to move that much number of steps, right? But when you are giving the number with RT or LT, so that is an angle, that is called degree, that this much angle you want to change the turtle. Fine. Okay, question F. Answer the following. First one, what is a turtle? Okay, the turtle is a small triangular structure that obeys logo command. right? Turtle, if you write df, come on turtle, df20, is it going to move? No, because it's a wrong command. There is no df command. Fine, there is fd command. So the turtle is a small triangular structure that obeys only logo commands, right? Second one, how will you execute a command in logo? How you will execute a command in logo? There are two ways to execute the logo command, right? First one, either you press enter key or you press execute button, right? If your enter key is not working properly, then you may also press execute button. Third one, what do you mean by a program? As in the filling the blanks we have seen, the primitives written one after another. This set of primitives are known as program. If you are making a square or a rectangle or a triangle, to make that shapes when you are writing some commands, and that set of commands is known as a program. Okay. Fourth one, what do you call the gray section that display the list of all the commands? Right? The gray section which displays all the commands, that is called a recall list box. I told you when we had an interactive class, I told you that I am making a shape, right? Now I forgot which was the last command I have typed, because after that command I want to type one more command, but I forgot which command I have typed before this, right? So immediately you go to the recall list box and see the last command which you have typed. So this is the use of recall list box. Why this all the commands whatever you are typing is being seen in the recall list box? Because if you forget some command while drawing a shape, at that time this recall list box will help you out, right? Last one, what is the function of home command? Home command is used to bring the turtle to the center of the screen. Wherever the turtle is there, suppose it is at the bottom of the screen, from there it will draw the line to the center of the screen and bring the turtle there. This is the use of home command. Okay. Suppose your turtle is somewhere on the right side, somewhere top. Okay. Now from there you want it to the center of the screen. You just type HOME home. From right top it will draw a line and come to the center of the screen. So this is the use of home command. It will bring the turtle from anywhere to the center of the screen. Okay. Now this is your exercise, right? Question A, B, C was your prep, right? And this is your D, E, F. Of course, we have also discussed question A, B, C here. Even I am going to put up a PDF file for the same. Okay. Now, in the next video, we are going to do activity section, page number 79, okay, 80, and I am going to show you some chapter 9 PD commands are left out, right? Other like ST, CS, HT we have seen in this chapter number 8. So we will do this PD commands in the next video. Even we will do exercise activity section. So please at that time also you be ready with your textbook and a pencil box and a scale. So immediately while seeing the video you can draw the shape in the given boxes. Okay. So we will do page number 79, 80 next week, and some commands of the chapter 9 also we are going to see, and page number 86. Okay. This much practical we are going to see in the next video. One more thing children, there are 2 sample papers in your book which will be helpful in our term 2. Of course, I am going to make a video for that, but after the chapter 9 gets over, okay, we will do sample paper 3, and even there is one sample paper 2, that is on page number 70, 71. So it's just like a revision type of your chapter. All the 4 chapters will be there for revision. Okay, so we will do that also, and of course I am going to put the answer key for the same sample papers. So for you it is very easy to learn the difficult words and answer writing. Okay, some small format of writing the answers are also there, so we will see that also. Okay, so you can complete this your exercise. Fine. Thank you for today, children. Have a nice day. Take care. Please see this PDF file also I am going to put up along with the video. So thank you and have a nice day, children. Take care at home.